Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you're looking for an email marketing tool that's powerful, affordable, and totally underrated, meet Moosend, a hidden gem in the email marketing world. But is it really the best option for you? Let's break it down. So Moosend is a basically feature package email marketing platform that offers automation, segmentation, and many more drag and drop email designs at all fraction of the cost of big name competitors, and also it has no subscriber limits, and which is a huge deal for growing businesses these days. If we talk about competitions and pricing, unlike Mailchimp or ConvertKit, Moosend's pricing is super budget friendly. You get a free plan with up to 1,000 subscribers, and the paid plan starts at just $9 per month. If you want an advanced features without breaking the bank, Moosend is definitely the one. If you can see over here, right now there is an offer going of $7, which automatically you save 20% of it. So at the time of registration, you can avail this. And if you compare it, the features what it provides, it has drag and drop email editor, AI powered automation, A/B styling and analytics, e-commerce integrations, and many more things. So if you'll ask me, is Moosend worth it? I'll say it is the best marketing tool no one talks about. If you want powerful features, low pricing, and automation without limits, Moosend is 100% worth checking out. If you go on their website, you can start a free trial for a month, I guess, depending on the time you register it. And normal pricing is $9 per month, but since the discount is going off for 20%, you can get it for $7 per month. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.